Tired of Instagram notifications disturbing your sleep? Well, here's how you can pause them automatically using sleep mode. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap on the three line at the top of the right corner and go to time management. From here, tap on sleep mode and turn the toggle on. Once enabled, your notifications will be muted during the time you choose, and your status will be shown others that you are in a sleep mode. You can fully customize sleep mode, set a start and end time, even pick a specific days to match your routine. Finally, tap the save button in the bottom and you are ready to enjoy your sleep mode in Instagram. Well, you can find the same sleep mode feature from the notification settings. Found this helpful? Hit the like button and subscribe to TechOZO for more quick tips you actually use.